first day. It didn't really do much. I did go to the bathroom and, you know, it was just average. But the second day, baby, when I tell you I quarterback.
Fuck out my way. Get back, get.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, KnoKno Fury. And I'm coming back to you with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things random. This is also a no judgment zone, so feel free to click that subscribe button down below, as well as click the bell to let you know whenever I upload a video. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, big. Let's get into the video. All right. Today I am going to be telling you guys, basically telling you guys my experience and all that stuff about this bad boy right here. Now, if you've not seen this tea, it is literally all over the social media world. Your favorite influencer, favorite celebrity is probably using these products or the tea, okay? All right, let me pull out my list because this is gonna be a video, okay? What is this? This is Iaso tea, aka Lasso tea. I don't know how to pronounce it, you guys. Anyway, it's an instant tea that you can put into cold or hot water. What is it? It is a detox tea, okay? So this tea is a detox tea. It will detox your colon, your organs, all that good stuff, your digestive. It's supposed to detox you, and it's supposed to be a gentle detox. This tea is made up of a couple ingredients. It's made up of dextrin, which is a dietary fiber. It's supposed to help you break down food. It's made of Cassia angustophilia, Carica papaya extract, and Matricaria chamomile. I'm gonna put the ingredients somewhere on the screen. But anyway, it's from a company called Total Life Changes. It's a brand that's like super popular right now. They have a whole bunch of products that are really popular, but the most popular is the tea. I fell into the tea by first my sister started using it. You know, she told me about it and I was like, yeah, okay, you know, weight loss, all right. And then my friends started using it and I was just like, okay, you know, this tea, you know, it's popping. And then the investment group that I was in, when it came to Forex, a girl in the group was selling the tea. So I was like, okay, and she wanted to give us all a sample. So she gave me a sample. The tea that I have is the original unflavored tea. This tea has no flavor to it. It is the original one. There are two other teas that are flavored. There's a lemon flavor and then there's also a raspberry flavor, and those two teas contain CBD. I don't mind taking CBD. It's not my problem. It's not a problem, but I live on a military base, so I'm kind of iffy with getting stuff like that shipped to my house because we can't have any hemp products at all on base. It's stupid. I know. But anywho, I have the one that contains 25 sachets of tea. Let me show you guys what it looks like. They look like this. They're little individual sachets. And you literally just take one and you pour it into a water bottle, or I believe it has to be 16.9 fluid ounces, which is one standard bottle of water. And you have to take it 30 minutes before eating, and you're supposed to take it twice a day. All right, let's get into the nitty gritty. First day, it didn't really do much. I did go to the bathroom and, you know, it was just average. But the second day, baby, when I tell you I quarterback, fuck out my way, get back, get. This tea claims to benefit, okay, so its popular benefits of this cleansing formula include a weight loss and weight management, a boost in energy, mental clarity, improved skin, and a gentle cleansing of your intestines and internal organs. It claims that you will lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days. So the claims on this tea is that you're supposed to lose 5 pounds in 5 days. Did I test that out? No, that's not my goal. The main reason why I purchased this tea was to detox my body. You see a lot of people, you know, losing tons of weight off of this tea, like tons. and you know, it's super, you know, admirable. You know, you want to just like buy it and lose all this weight, but I'm a realist, you guys. I'm a pure realist. To lose pure body fat, you're going to have to put in the work no matter what. This tea alone is not going to help you shed 50. It's not going to make the 50 pounds go away. It can help your weight loss journey, but it's not going to just make it all go away. Now, claims with this tea: detoxing of your colon, internal organs, intestines. Your body, I've been doing my research, you guys. Your body is literally full of shit. Like, and you know, all the bad food that we eat, it gets stuck in our colon, stuck in our intestines, and after a while it builds up and goes into our bloodstream, and that can lead to like headaches, constipation, it can lead to acne, it can lead to asthma, eczema, all the above, just because you have all those toxins in your bloodstream and in your colon. I know you guys have seen my video of me struggling, you know, with weight loss, gaining so much weight. I was looking at myself in the mirror one day and I was just like, I am really swollen. Like my face isn't even fat. I just looked hella inflamed. Like I just looked like I was full of water. That's what I looked like. Like my fat on my face, I don't know, it just didn't look like fat. I just looked like I was just inflamed and bloated everywhere. So I was like, okay, so I need to cleanse. So I bought the tea from this girl, and you know, it came to my house in about, what, like 4 days. Like I said, this is a tea that doesn't have any flavor. And what I've been doing, I have been using it with hot water. A lot of people drink it in like a cold water bottle, cold water. I prefer to drink mine hot because I like hot tea. And then also when I drank it cold, it didn't really do anything for me in that aspect. So my sister told me, you know, drink it hot. For the flavor, I can't just drink something with no flavor. I can't do it. So what I do, I like to mix my tea with another tea. This is the Lemon Zinger tea by Celestial Seasonings. It's caffeine free, and it doesn't have any ingredients that will like combat with the ingredients in this tea because it's specifically for flavor. I know one girl likes to mix hers with Crystal Light. I don't know, but this one is like super yummy. It tastes basically like lemon honey tea, and you know, with that added, it doesn't add any extra flavor or anything, so it's like perfect. It's really, really good. I have been taking this tea for about a week now. It's literally been about a week. I had my sample, which had 5 sachets in it, and then I have my bag right here that I got like the day before yesterday. So I did have to take like a little break in between because I had to wait for my other package to come. But I've been taking it for a week, and I feel like I can give you guys a good thorough review of my first initial week using this tea. First things first, did I measure myself? Did I do the whole 5 pounds in 5 days thing? No, I didn't do that. Main reason I wanted this tea was to detox. So drinking the tea, I had to hit the bathroom ASAP. And you know what, I've seen videos of these girls saying that they were like in the store or something like that, and they had to run to the bathroom because it just kept coming back at the back. That's how it was for me on the second day. Literally, my friend told me it only hit her 1 time a day, and that was it. Second day for me, it strung out all throughout the day, and thank God I was home all day that day. But it strung out all throughout the day. My stomach felt very runny. It just felt very loose. Like I feel like I had to like shit every hour. Like it was kind of bad. But the third day, still pooping. I like to drink mine like in the morning and then towards the night. They say I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't been drinking it like before every meal. You're supposed to drink it 30 minutes before every meal. I haven't been doing that. I've been doing it now because I want to see the true results of this, but I feel like I've still been getting results even though I haven't been doing what the bag has told me to. But yeah, on the third day, it actually got a little better. My stomach didn't cramp up as much. I still had a bowel movement. I've had a bowel movement every time I've been drinking this tea, but like the pain isn't as bad. Now I want to go over with you guys something very, very interesting. So you know, everybody has detox teas. You have detox teas. I've heard of ballerina tea. I know It Works had a detox tea, and then there's also like the detox teas like for the flat tummy tea or whatever. Never really messed with those because they always seem super commercial. This tea works. Like, I know you guys are so tired of seeing like all these sellers promote this product and you know you feel like it's false, this is someone who doesn't sell it. This works, and I'm gonna tell you guys why it worked. When I went to the bathroom, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna be real transparent. I look at my stool, okay? I look at my stool to make sure there's nothing weird in it. I looked at my stool like the days I started using this tea, and when I tell you there were so many abnormal things in my stool. Like, this tea is supposed to get mucus, toxins, metals, all that good stuff out your body. When I tell y'all, there was so much stuff that I have never seen before in my stool. I was like, yo, this is crazy. And this is how I know it works, because the time frame that I did have to stop drinking the tea, my stool went back to normal. It was firm, whatever, and I didn't have any of that stuff in my stool. The moment I started drinking this again, had it there again. And it's like, I hate to be so TMI, but I feel like you gotta know, because that's what the product's gonna do. It may not do it for you, but it did it for me. I had like mucus, white stuff, I don't know, it was crazy. And then another TMI situation is my stool didn't smell like stool. We all know what our own poop smell like, okay? We all know what our own shit smell like. My shit didn't smell like shit. Like, it had like a really, really weird smell. Like, it didn't smell normal. I was just like, yo, like, it's so hard to explain, but it just didn't smell normal. Like, it just smelled like it had been like stored away for a hot minute, and I'm like, oh shit, like, this shit works. Like, and then I've been noticing my skin has been clearing up tremendously, as well as my like my energy level. I feel like my energy level is like super high. I don't know, I just feel lighter. I know that sounds like so all over the place, but I just feel lighter. I feel like my face personally has gone down. If you want to go back and look at my old videos, I feel like my face is slimming down. I feel like I'm not looking as inflamed, and it's only been a week. So I'm really excited to see what I'll look like after I finish this whole bag. But yeah, you guys, the proof is in the pudding. This stuff works. I've seen a lot of people recommend to use this tea with the NutriBurst, which is the multivitamin that they offer. I'm not really feeling that too much. I mean, it's just personal preference. I've seen a lot of people use it and they say it works, but it's just something that really interests me. I do see that they do have these liquid drops that are supposed to suppress your appetite. I am interested in those just because I do have issues with cravings. I like to eat. So, but this is supposed to suppress your appetite too. The CBD tea is supposed to actually help calm you and keep your mind clear. This one is supposed to do that too. But yeah, this retailed for $35. I got the 25 sachets for $35. If this really does work, I plan on getting like another bag, but I don't think I'm gonna do this long term, just because I feel like doing it long term isn't healthy. Like, I don't know, I feel like you don't need to be cleansing for a whole 6 months. Like, that's weird to me. I see a lot of girls in these videos saying that they put like 3-4 sachets and they drink that. I see a lot of girls saying that they've been using it for like 2 years. I'm just like, no sir, not me. But yeah, I really like this tea, you guys. I don't really know what else to say. Do I recommend it? Hell yeah. Especially if you're jump starting your weight loss journey. I feel like this is very necessary because your body is full of junk. Like, after a while, I feel like everybody needs to cleanse their bodies or cleanse their colons, just because we get so backed up with crap. So yeah, I highly recommend this tea. If I do, you know, get any other products, I'll come back here and tell you guys about it. But I'll probably do like a 2 or 3 week update on this tea and let you guys know how I'm feeling. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If I didn't answer any questions that you specifically had, feel free to comment them down below and I will answer them for you. Yeah, you guys, see you in the next one. Bye.